Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it away. Tonight we gonna let it away. Tonight we gonna let it away. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it away. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it away. Tonight we gonna let it away. Tonight we gonna let it away. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it away.
Mabuhay at maradyaw na gabi sa tanan. Bago ra nato nahuman ang closing and awarding activity sa atong second panaghiusad jigging and shore casting competition. So ato napakita pinaagi di ani nga activity nga despite being known as a mining town, healthy gihapon ang atong marine resources kay sa inyong makita dagko og lain-lain na mga healthy na mga isda ang nakuha sa atong mga anglers na nagikan pa sa lain-lain na parte ng atong nasod. So bisan pa man mining community kita, nagpadadyon ang atong mga preservation and conservation efforts pinaagi sa local government unit para masiguro na nagpabilin healthy ang atong marine resources. So sa tanan natong anglers, daghang salamat sa pagbisita sa Exciting Clever and hope to see you next year.